And here we are back in Clawson. We are on Selfridge Boulevard, which is right next to an elementary school and a big park. So let's check it out. Some natural hardwood floors, nice crown molding. Paint choice is a light gray. And then the kitchen is a really good layout. You have tons of counter space and cabinet space, which is great. Again, we got a gas stove. Love that. Dark cabinets, granite, and I like what they did here. So typically you have like a really bright white subway tile. This is like a bone white, which ties in nicely with the tone of the countertops and the warmth of the floors. So I'm really glad they went that route. We have 3 nice sized bedrooms. And we also have crown molding in here. We have newer windows, they're not brand new. Bathroom. Hardwood floors and an updated vanity. And then they tied it in with the beadboard. Shower.
So it also has a tub, right?
And a tub.
That's important to a lot of people.
Yeah. And then if you've got kids, it's nice to know that you can fit 2 full-size beds in here. And it also has a nice sized closet with outdoors.
Wow. Impressive.
And this may be the largest of the bedrooms, though they're all pretty decent sized. And again, with the double door closet. And a cool modern fan. Let's check out the downstairs.
We're just getting another angle of the living and dining room space.
It's a finished basement. There's a laundry room over here. And a refrigerator. Like when you're doing laundry and you need a cold pop.
Barbecue or something. Sweet brown. RC Cola.
It's a really big laundry room.
It really is. That's hilarious. Just refrigerator, just hey. Might need some snacks, you know? Never know.
And then this is actually a cedar closet. How cool is that?
Oh yeah. A couple racks. Remove the clothing. Storage.
We have also a full bathroom with a standing shower.
Standing or sitting, huh?
Oh, look at that.
There's a little seat.
It's got a seat. We got some shelves here. It's like the linen closet.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. And then that's the furnace and hot water tank.
More storage. Christina brought out to me there is a little slope, but quite likely it's because it's a basement and that's the drain, and that's just the way they design the flat work for the water to go towards the drain.
And then this is like a really big den. The TV room, the family room, the playroom.
The go downstairs room.
But it's nice that it's all finished.
Yeah, it's a nice space.
Mm-hmm.
What's in that closet over there?
That's the back of the furnace. You want to see it?
Why not?
You just wanted to see if I could open the door. That's what it was.
Nice to have access. As if you want to just see that piece of metal. It's, you can. Yeah.
Backyard?
Backyard. Small little porch-like deck out here. We're on a pie-shaped lot. So it's nice you have all of this area to park, play. Still have a green space. It's a cool little trampoline. Who needs safety net? And a little shed that looks scary. No, it's just a little junk in it. Needs to be trashed out. It's also really nice that the land slopes away from the house. That is probably why that basement is so dry. Unfortunately, it slopes toward that other neighbor's house. So you have painted brick. This garage could stand a little paint, but the wood siding is in solid shape. Same thing. Ideally, you like to see a newer door, but I don't know. It appears that one functions. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's 2. I thought it was 1. It's 2. Oh yeah, this door works just fine. That's actually pretty sweet. You can just open up half if you want it to pull out 1 car. It's a cool design actually. Doesn't look the greatest. Do a little paint. Privacy. The roof looks really good. I'm no inspector, but it looks nice. And again, we could use some paint out here. They're going for the rustic look. But you know what? Since we're outside, let's stay out here. Let's take a look all the way around. Okay, so this house has been painted, and it looks like they had a vine growing on the house, and they just pulled it down. Also, there looks like there was a little accident with some paint in the driveway. And there's a cutie pie, Christina.
Howdy.
Hey. Just taking a look at the exterior. And the yard. Let's step back and look at this place. And the neighborhood. Wow, that's a beautiful tree. Yeah. This is a nice neighborhood, as a matter of fact. This home has the great bones, you know, new roof and things like that, but with some paint and very minimal effort, this house could be a showstopper for what it is.